This is the Laser Level Pro 3. This product contains 3 AG13 batteries. It's got a little danger sign there. It says laser radiation, avoid direct eye exposure. So it has a laser on it. It's like 3 different bubbles on it. It's got rulers on it. And see the side, it says here, hang shelves and cabinets, tiles, and picture frames with accuracy. Projects horizontal, vertical, laser light beam. Locking 8-foot measuring tape, standard and metric rulers. Let's take a look at this today. So here's your 3 levels. So it's horizontal. You get the vertical one, and then the 45-degree one. It's got the battery compartment protected with a tab here, so it won't initialize the batteries. There's a switch on the side that controls your laser. So you have horizontal, a hairline, and vertical. And the ruler on the bottom here, this is inches. On the back of the unit is centimeters here. And it's got the danger thing again about the laser radiation, avoid direct eye contact. So there's where the laser beam will project it from here. Here's your measuring tape here. It's 8 feet long. So it'll stay in position and until you put it back in. So some nice features on this level. Take a look at it. So it does come with the 3 batteries inside included, and we'll remove this paper and let's take the screw out. Just the kind of batteries that you do have in here. Comes with it here. There's 3 of them. Get the screw out. Small Phillips screw. Pull this paper out there to activate the batteries, and then there's the batteries inside here. Let's put this back in. Has a little piece to pull it back out here. Snap that back in, and I'll put the screw back into it. So you saw what the batteries look like. There's 3 of them in line there. Put that screw that holds the battery compartment back together here. The Phillips screw here, screwdriver. So the laser is controlled by the switch here. You turn it on. Then there's 3 different positions: vertical, horizontal, and crosshairs. I'm not going to turn the laser on because it'll shine right in your eyes. But there's 3 different positions on this laser. So there's a vertical, horizontal, and a crosshair. And just simply pushing it up, there's 3 different positions here. Let's turn the laser on. A little switcher to turn it on. So you get the crosshairs. And then you just push it down. You got the vertical and the horizontal. 3 different lasers. Our level lined up here to take those pictures up, and we'll level it off, and then we'll line up those 3 pictures. So using our Laser Level Pro 3 laser to line up the pictures here, and then we're going to use our soccer picture hanging tool to mark the location on the wall. Use that little pin and just mark the wall where the picture hanger is going to go now. So use the laser and the soccer picture hanging tool to line up the pictures now. Use it just for a level? Sure you can. This is my new freezer and it shows nice and level there. Combined our Level Pro 3 laser with the soccer picture hanging tool today to line up our pictures. This is the Laser Level Pro 3, and it comes with some nice features. It comes with the batteries, and then the switch to turn on your 3 different beams here, your horizontal, your vertical, and your crosshair beam. And has a scale, the inches on one side, centimeters on the other side. It's got 3 different bubbles you can use, and it's got a measuring tape on it. And you pull it out and it stays in position It's nothing fancy, just works, and then just press this button to pull it back in. So we took a look at this today. Not a bad level indicator here, and I want you to ring that bell because there's the next videos coming out soon. And I'd like to thank all my subscribers, all my new subscribers. Thanks so much for subscribing to my channel. If you watch this for the first time today, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for taking the time to watch the video today. Have a great day, people.